Welcome back, tech fans. Today we're diving into the all-new Oppo Reno 14. The Oppo Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro are set to make their global debut tomorrow. A sleek powerhouse packed with standout features, from a stunning 6.59-inch display and blazing fast 80-watt charging to a game-changing triple-camera setup. This phone promises flagship-level performance without breaking the bank. Stay tuned as we unbox, explore every detail, and put the Reno 14 to the ultimate test. You won't want to miss a second. A quick shout-out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The latest Reno packaging has a fresh design reminiscent of a mermaid's graceful movement. Inside the box, you'll find the phone, an 80-watt power adapter, a durable charging cable, a unique smiley face SIM ejector tool, a sturdy, transparent case, and a user manual. My unit is in the semi-summer green color, featuring a velvet glass back that's silky to the touch and resistant to fingerprints. The Reno 14 features a sleek metal middle frame with a texture that surpasses composites, measuring just 7.42 millimeters thick. Its cold glue glass design feels as refreshing as biting into a crisp green apple on a summer morning. Natural, vibrant, and invigorating. The volume and unlock keys are conveniently placed on the right, while the smooth left side offers a comfortable grip. The top houses speakers, an infrared interface, barometric equalization holes, and a microphone. The bottom of the Reno 14 houses the card slot, microphones, Type-C charging port, and speaker. Despite its ultra-slim metal right-angled frame, the phone stands upright on its own. Weighing just 187 grams, it features a 6.59-inch display that balances the appeal of both large and compact screens. Truly a device that's hard not to love. If you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The Reno 14 features a 6.59-inch, 1.5K high refresh rate flat display with minimal bezels, reducing accidental touches. It comes with a pre-applied protective film for enhanced durability and full waterproof support, including wet hand and glove touch. Powered by the Dimensity 8350 and a Tidal engine, it delivers impressive performance, scoring over 1.4 million points, perfect for an unexpected, immersive gaming experience. The Reno 14 excels in gaming, supporting high frame rates and Ultra HDR quality in King of Glory, with smooth, lag-free performance, even in intense battles, thanks to stable frame rates and no clock-down issues. PUBG Mobile runs at 90 FPS with Super HDR, complemented by stereo speakers and an advanced vibration motor for immersive gameplay. Genshin Impact achieves 60s at max settings, offering a console-like experience. Its temperature control is impressive, with a 4,700 millimeters for VC cooling area, ensuring comfort during long, high-intensity sessions, matching flagship performance from the past 2 years. The Reno 14's standout feature is its triple rear camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide angle lens. The ultra-wide shots closely match the main camera in quality, while the main camera captures natural light, accurate colors, and detailed textures. Building shots are sharp with low noise, and vegetation photos preserve natural textures. The upgraded night mode delivers impressive clarity and remarkable performance. The Reno 14's telephoto lens impresses with reliable performance at both 3.5x and 7x zoom, delivering sharp and usable results. It's perfect for close-up shots of flowers, producing rich, detailed images with a professional feel. Portraits are equally impressive, capturing natural skin tones, vivid complexion, and well-blurred backgrounds while maintaining fine hair details, giving every shot a stylish, high-quality look. One of the coolest features of the Reno 14 is its live graphic gameplay. All models come with HD telephoto live functionality, allowing you to capture stunning live GIFs with a 3.5x telephoto lens, perfect for preserving beautiful moments. You can also take vibrant live photos at night, adding a cinematic feel with a CCD-like charm. Plus, you can edit live photos, adjust parameters, change filters, and even convert 4K videos to live photos directly on the phone. It combines the HD telephoto live of an iPhone with the 4K live photo capabilities of the DJI Pocket 3, offering a truly creative and playful experience. The Oppo Reno 14 features a 6,000 mAh battery with 80-watt super flash charging, offering rapid charging and impressive battery life. It runs on ColorOS 15, delivering smooth performance with enhanced multitasking stacks, personalized folders, and DeepSeek full-blood support for seamless navigation. The system also supports Fluid Cloud, boosting operational efficiency. AI-driven photo enhancements automatically adjust frames and filters for better results. Plus, the three-finger swipe feature intelligently captures and stores memorable content. The Euro Plus interconnection enables remote PC control, elevating productivity across devices, an exceptionally versatile experience. The base variant of the Oppo Reno 14 is priced at 2,799 yuan in China, approximately £292 in the UK, and around $388 in the USA. And that's a wrap on the Oppo Reno 14. From its vibrant display and powerful cameras to the long-lasting battery and smooth performance, this phone truly delivers exceptional value. Whether you're gaming, snapping photos, or working on the go, the Reno 14 stands out as a versatile and stylish choice. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.